We should discuss melted cheese.
Of course I'm still watching. What kind of binge shaming is that? Watching. We're always still watching. I mean, that's what streaming media is right now, right? And you think about it, 10 years ago, we were looking at DVDs that we ordered online and waited in the mail for. And maybe 10 years previous to that, we were organizing our schedule around her favorite show that we didn't want to tell anyone about. Things have come a long way. And now, we don't have to wait in the mail. The worst that we get is buffer face. You know what I'm talking about. It's While code hasn't created a lot of the media, it definitely has made it much easier to consume. This week is Computer Science Education Week, and millions of people are learning how to code, and they're going to learn how to code and bring media to you. So get started. All it takes is an hour. Our code may have some side effects, hoodie not included. If you experience binary numbers raining from the sky, please consult a developer. Take 2 hours of code daily if condition persists.